On the occasion of World Radio Day, I would like to recognize the extraordinary role that radio continues to play across Afghanistan. For more than 100 years, radio has informed, educated, and connected people across Afghanistan, across provinces, languages, and generations. Today, it remains the main source of information for millions of Afghans, particularly in rural and remote communities. This year's World Radio Day theme is Radio and Artificial Intelligence. It reminds us that while technology is changing how information is produced and shared, trust still depends on human voices, on journalists, presenters, and broadcasters who serve their communities with professionalism, care, and humanity. I would like to express my deep appreciation to all Afghan radio professionals who continue to work with dedication despite their many challenges and the challenges that media faces in Afghanistan. On behalf of the United Nations, we stand in solidarity with you all and thank you for your service to the Afghan people.